Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I wanted to show you my September Sips By subscription box. Sips By is nice enough to collaborate with me and send me their monthly tea boxes, and I love showing you what my personalized tea box looks like. For your information, Sips By's subscription box is $15 per month with free shipping in the United States, and Sips By works with over 150 global tea brands to bring you very different teas from all over the world that will match up with the information that you gave them as to what types of teas you like to drink. So for my September box, I have the information card. I'm going to flip it over, and on the back it looks like I have 3 ginger tea by Hookah Tea, and that is a caffeine-free tea. It says it's a rich, spicy, and stimulating blend of 3 delicious roots from the ginger family, and it should help with digestion. The next teas I have are apple cinnamon from the company Zest Tea, and this is a coffee level, caffeine level tea. It's a South Indian black tea that contains cinnamon chips, apple pieces, cinnamon, and apple flavors. I have some white peach tea by Davidson's Organic Teas. That's my low caffeine tea. It contains organic white tea and natural flavor. And then finally, I have Dulce de Leche by Pinky Up, and that does contain caffeine. And that has black tea, carob, caramel pieces, almond brittle pieces, oh that sounds delicious, safflower petals, and natural flavorings. Okay, so let's open the box and I'll show you what is inside my personalized box. The first thing I see is the 3 ginger tea. This is my caffeine-free tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that by Zest Tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. I must have some loose tea in my box because Sips By has included some of their reusable muslin cloth tea bags. I really love these. They're very convenient. They're great, especially if you're going to give the box as a gift and you're not sure if someone has something to steep the tea in. And I actually use them myself sometimes, even though I do have a little steeper. It looks like I have some loose tea, and the loose tea is the Dulce de Leche by Pinky Up, and I have 1, 2 large pouches of that. And then last in my box is the white peach tea by Davidson's Organic Teas. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pouches of that. Okay, the tea I'm going to steep today, because it is the morning, I think I'm going to go with one that has caffeine in it. So I'm going to go with the apple cinnamon tea by Zest Tea. Let's get started. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in my personalized September Sips By subscription tea box. I will leave a link to Sips By's website down in my description box. I personally love getting these boxes because I am very funny. When it comes to teas, I like a lot of variety. I don't like drinking the same tea all the time, and that is why this box works for me so well. Take care guys. Bye bye from Marla.